Left.
Rob him, I'm not sure, cause I don't know.
We got him on our position initiate, please.
Should we blow him up? Nah, it looks like he's not there, should we rob him? Land and drop me off.
I'll drop off one of you.
Can I rappel down? Do you want me to rappel down?
Drop me off.
You want me to rappel down?
Let me repel. Only one though. Oh my god. You're an idiot.
What happened?
Fuck, man down.
Seems like they crashed or something.
Yeah, the heli just blew up. I'm gonna need backup my location, John's truck.
Oh yeah, and where is that?
We both, it's just by, it's next to AW base. Oh, I'm gonna need backup my location.
I'm on my way. I'm down on the road by Task Force 141 base. If you can walk down to the street, you can jump in and we go off.
I mean, come here, there's answers here.
On the hill.
On the hill, and I'm not sure where the guy is, so if he's here, he might try and kill me. You guys in the studio.
That's me.
Cover me. Tell me if anyone comes at the house. Alright, I'm taking shots.